Okay, you ready to do that?
You ready?
Yeah.
Hold on. You guys see this beard cut? That's what I'm talking about. Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Kevin.
I'm Laura.
And we are
Vegan RV.
And it's a sad day. We're leaving Playa Santispac.
That
I don't
beautiful beach.
Oh, I don't want to go. It's so pretty.
Yeah. It was amazing.
Yep, such a bummer, but we got to get north. We got things to do.
Places to be.
Videos to send out. Hanging out to do. Places to see. Conferences to go to. You know, all the fun stuff.
Yep.
Anyway, so we leave there, and it's pretty sad. Mm-hmm. Make our way back through Mulahey. Mm-hmm. It's pretty awesome. And we book it. It is a long drive today. Mm-hmm. And we end up back in Guerrero Negro.
Yes.
So you guys have seen a lot of this road before.
Yeah, so we didn't do much video because we already covered that off on the way down.
Yeah. So we stay at a different spot. So we stayed at Mario's Tours. Mm-hmm. A little janky. I mean, so it was good from the perspective of water, sewer, electric. We really didn't need it. But it was all pull-through sites, so we didn't have to disconnect. Mm-hmm. And the people were nice.
Yeah.
You know, everybody talks about the food in there. But we didn't even go in.
No, we didn't go.
Because we were waking up early the next day to haul it. So it was like, we need to get to bed early and all that. Though, when we were in Guerrero Negro, we went to just go check out we had to go pick up some groceries. Yep. That's right. We were out of tortillas. Mm-hmm. What's up?
Can't be out of tortillas.
And we start driving through that main strip to Malarimo. Mm-hmm. They have ripped up the road.
Yeah, so it's a good thing we didn't try to go to Malarimo again, even though I think we would prefer Malarimo. It's just a nicer place to stay.
Yeah, and they were actually redoing all the power and everything at Malarimo when we were there. The road was very similar to Highway 5 down the middle of the street.
Yeah, and
it was definitely some off-roading.
So
it was nice not to do that again. So let's let these people check it out.
Yep.
They can see what's up. See you in a bit.
Well, Santispac, you're amazing.
Can we go back now?
So how about those hookups? That looks perfectly safe.
Yep, janky at best. Yeah. All right, so back on the road.
Yeah, so we're back on the road, and we do something that we couldn't do on the way down. Well, actually, we could have, but we were in too much of a hurry.
And we didn't actually realize it until the very last
Yeah,
second.
because until after we turned. But so right when you come off of Highway 5 onto 1, there's a sign where everybody puts their stickers to say, hey, I did it. So we knew on the way back we should definitely stop and put our sticker there, which we did. So you'll see that.
Oh boy, that was adventurous.
Yes.
So you guys have seen some of the drive. You'll see some of the drive.
Yeah.
Pouring down rain, just nasty. Like what a crappy day to be going off outside the RV, or even driving down there was terrible. So compound, everybody's side mirrors just going whoosh, like this down the road.
Yeah.
Plus all the rain. It was a mess.
Yes.
So anyway, you'll get to see it. It was hilarious, but we did it.
We did it.
I'm so psyched that we took the time to go do that because it was definitely worth it.
I think Faye and Tom thought we were crazy, but
the guy coming off the road thought we were crazy.
Yeah.
I'll tell that story later. You guys have to see the video first. So,
Okay.
but towards the end, I'll tell them.
Yeah.
Anyway, so after we passed, we put the sticker on the sign. We're booking it out of Baja because like I said earlier, we have places to go. We had things to do. Unfortunately, we spent a little too much time down south. Too much time, but not enough time.
Fortunately,
I would still be down there right now if I could, right?
Yeah.
But we passed through the most magical place. It's so beautiful. It's all rocks. So
Yeah. So luckily the rain stops long enough for you to see some of the beauty of this area, and it's the part of one that we hadn't seen yet before. So you're going to see a lot of that drive.
Yep.
Yeah.
With all the wildflowers and everything. But then the most beautiful place ever is Catavina. And oh my God.
Yeah, the rocks.
It's just like the rock formations were insane.
Yeah.
It was so cool. I wish we could have stopped. 0 cell service.
Yeah.
I didn't see a place for us to really park, but I was driving.
Yeah.
So I don't know.
Yeah.
But yeah, anyway, we make it back towards the Pacific Ocean. You guys get to see that again. So
You do.
anyway, let's go check
Yeah.
this out.
Check
We'll
it out.
talk to you guys in a bit.
See? Okay, so we missed putting a sticker this is 5, and we missed putting our sticker on this sign.
Oh my God.
Oh God,
It's so nasty
it's
here.
raining and it's gross. So
All right, we did it.
we did it. So
This
we're
is
gonna put
us.
our sticker up here.
This is our time. Right there.
Yay!
We did it.
We did it.
I did it with you. Love
Yeah.
you.
Love you too.
It's not always sunny in Philadelphia.
Nope. Pacific Ocean.
Hi, Laura.
Curious more.
Look at those waves.
Not messing around out there. Travel day, so yeah. Let's go see what the damage is. All right, that's nice, real nice. Oh no, he's real dirty. Oh, he got dirty all the way up to here. All right, I bet the car is the worst. Oh, poor car. Oh no. All right. So this is Cielito Lindo. It's a hotel and RV park. We didn't do any of the things over here, so I can't tell you anything about it. We literally just slept right here. And if you look behind, that's the Pacific Ocean. Faye and Tom went out there, said it was kind of like walking through goose poop to get there, but it was really nice when they got there. No hookups. I think it was $10 a night, US. Not bad.
During that break, Laura and I listened to cows mooing in the canyon.
Yeah, and it echoing, so.
It's like, moo! Moo! It's pretty awesome.
Yeah.
Anyway, what about the RV when we ended
Yeah, after driving through, all the rain and a couple of muddy adventures, yeah, poor car and RV.
Yeah, they're just messed up royally.
Yeah.
No, I know it wasn't as bad as the motorhome experiment going up to Tuk to Yuk Tuk, but that was our version of it, so we're sticking to it. Yeah, you guys got to see what a beach. Oh my God. Incredible.
It looks so crazy with the blowing sand and the
black and the white sand.
The swirling on the sand and sand all. I mean, it's just, you saw it. It was just freaking amazing. And there was zero people there. Nobody.
Awesome. I mean, it was cool.
Yeah.
Definitely cool. And probably definitely not like you'd want to go swimming in it.
Well,
I'm sure you could.
It's the Pacific Ocean,
yeah, it's
so,
And the water's cold.
Yeah.
But yeah, it was awesome. The place we stayed at was, it was like $5, I think.
Yeah, 5, 8.
for
10,
like
I don't know.
for overnighting.
Yeah.
And with no hookups. So it was a means to an end.
Yep.
Anyway.
But now it's time to continue on down the road, isn't it?
Yes. So we'll let these folks go, these fine folks.
Yep.
And we'll see them next time. And they'll get to see more cool Mexico.
Yep, we're not done yet, but we're almost done.
Almost done. Yeah. Almost there.
Yeah.
Anyway, we hope you guys liked the video.
Yep.
If you liked it, hit the bell, slap the thing.
Do all the things.
Hit the buttons.
Do all the things right here that people tell you to do. How about that?
Exactly.
Yep.
And we'll see you guys next time.
See ya.
Peace. Bye. It's Kevin Smith. I'm so psyched. All right, so now that we're done, Laura yelled at me because I forgot to tell you the story about the guys on Highway 5. So we had pulled over our RVs off the side of the road in this mud pit to go put our sticker on the sign.
Yeah.
And you can see there's like 2 cars coming off of Highway 5. And these guys are in some like heavy duty 4x4,
Truck camper.
They got the hookup.
Yeah.
And he's yelling to me in the rain and mud. And so I walk over to his truck and I'm like, hey, what's up? He goes, are y'all going to go down Highway 5? He was like, because it's terrible. You don't want to go down there. It's terrible. And I was like, we already did that, son. And we did it in those 2 Class A's right there. And he was like, what? So I had a good laugh. I turned around. That made the sticker even more important than we got it up on that sign because we did it.
We did it.
Anyway, that's the story.
Yep.
We'll see you guys. Boom. We're out. Oh, I forgot our secret. Shit. That's so bad. Let's start over. Sorry. I'm terrible. Now everybody knows it.